9 quick tips to buying a stair lift. Stair lifts provide more than just a means of getting from the downstairs floor of a house to the upstairs. They also represent mobility and independence to an aging generation. As time goes by, it is only natural that we find certain everyday activities, such as climbing the stairs, becoming increasingly difficult. For someone with limited mobility due to injury, disability, or chronic diseases such as arthritis and angina, installing a stair lift is a low-cost, common-sense solution. And with today's advanced technology, nearly every home can be fitted with a stair lift, even if it has a curved staircase. Before you go ahead and purchase your stair lift, make sure you use a professional and approved company with experience in this field. Here is a quick and easy stair lift buying guide. If you are unsure about what kind of stair lift is suitable for your home, get some independent advice from the Occupational Therapy Department of your local social services. Ask questions about the models that a company sells. Read sales literature and brochures, find out about the different brands of stair lifts and the models available. Get several quotes from different companies, but make sure they are for the same or like-for-like models before comparing the prices. Make sure the quote covers the supply and fitting of the stair lift. If you have a curved staircase, ask the company to assess your staircase and give you a personalized quote. Compare also the after-sales service. What happens if your stair lift breaks down? Are you covered for repairs and maintenance, or do you have to pay out extra for a service contract? If you are thinking of purchasing from a non-manufacturer, check that the company is an approved supplier, otherwise they may not be able to obtain spare parts. And never buy a stair lift from someone who tries to make you buy that day or is pushing a certain stair lift on you. Salespeople are paid to clinch deals and will often discount the price heavily to secure the sale, but the model they want you to buy may not be right for you. If you are considering having a stair lift in your home, the website below contains free information and impartial advice on this topic. You will find that installing a stair lift will give you access to the whole of your home with ease, comfort, and convenience. It is also much more cost-effective when compared to the cost of converting your existing home having to relocate to a single-story accommodation.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Transform your old articles and ebooks into brand new audio content and use it to create podcasts or videos for your YouTube or TV channel. Visit allsuper.info and ask our live support for details.